Since my last CCIV update video, I've been getting a few questions about how to trade CCIV at this point. Some of you sold early, others want to get in new positions, and others are trying to build a long-term position. I'm also getting a few questions as to where we can see this stock hit in the near future. Let's take a look at some numbers and try to make sense of it all. I will try to answer everyone's questions as best as I can in this video. Let's take a look at the charts. Since the announcement of the CCIV merger back 1 month ago, I've been extremely bullish and I immediately bought the SPAC since day one. As the stock began to create some traction, the charts began to give me some technical levels in which we were able to gauge the price action. The first phase was a SPAC phase, in which the SPAC started off at $10. CCIV upon the merger rumor traded between $10 and $20 the first 2 weeks. The stock was catching a lot of attention and went into the second phase, which was a hype phase, where the stock traded between $20 and $35. This is where I began drawing my first buying, second buying, and caution price targets for those who hadn't bought in. Anything around $30 and below is a bargain at this point. There was still time to get in. Now we're in the third phase, the euphoria phase, where the merger seems to be around the block and everyone and their moms are buying in. At these levels, we're not getting any bargains, but there is still money to be made. In my last video, I spoke about the new levels to be aware of to buy into CCIV on Monday. The first level to consider buying is here in orange at the $50.50 level. If you're not in CCIV, this is a good place to start a half position. The second level is at the $40 price target to buy into a full position. You can buy the stock for long-term investing or the options for a trade. If you are buying into at the orange levels for a trade, an optimum level to take profits would be anything close to $70. You need to hold with them diamond hands. These are all technical hypothetical bullish trading price targets. If the euphoria continues, this is what to expect. Now let's compare Lucid Motors and NIO's market cap to try to get a realistic comparison. Although this is not a realistic comparison, since Lucid hasn't shipped a single car, but let's use them as a benchmark for now since we have nothing else to compare it to. NIO's currently around a $90 billion market cap. If and when the merger happens and Lucid Motor closes the deal at a $15 billion valuation, we are talking about CCIV being at a $60 per share price target, which we clearly hit a few times already. What we are saying at this point is that CCIV is worth the same as NIO without Lucid having any sales, which is a bit of a fairy tale. But let's take a look at some price targets if Lucid Motors is valued at $12 billion. At $12 billion, we're talking of a $75 price target. Realistically, in my honest opinion, I think we hit the $75 price target regardless due to the euphoria. If the merger is announced and the company is valued at $12 billion and we see the stock go completely bonkers, I think the stock will go up between $70 to $100. If it does, any of these levels will be a fantastic level to sell any position. This is the end of my price target predictions in the short term. After $70 per share, we're talking about the stars in the moon, champagne bottles, and strawberry chocolates. Every man will be out there for themselves at this point. I plan on holding these shares for a lifetime, but I know that CCIV won't be able to hold these unicorn levels for long. Institutional buying is out of control, and this is what sways me to hold and not sell no matter what. We're definitely living through different times, and this is unpredictable to say the least. If the merger is a success and Lucid starts delivering cars this year, there's no doubt in my mind this stock will go over $100 a share within a year. If you made it this far, I appreciate your support. If you know someone who is invested or trying to invest in CCIV, make sure to hit the like button and share the video. I just opened my new store. If you would like to support this channel, take a look and pick up a t-shirt. Click on the link under the description to go to my store. That's pretty much it for this video. If you liked this video or found this information useful, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell to see more trading and investing ideas. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is for entertainment purposes only. And as always, timing is everything. Get notified so that you don't miss an opportunity.